Hey, welcome back to a little more math. So this is another strategy we're going to introduce. Remember, our learning target is I can multiply a fraction by a whole number. Okay. Our strategy today is called the tape diagram. So for those of you who have forgotten, a tape diagram is simply a rectangle shape that we break into parts to represent parts of a problem, which makes sense to use with fractions because fractions are part of a whole. All right, so today's problem, we're going to take 3/5 of 35 is blank. This is the same as doing 5th times 35 equals. So we're actually doing a multiplication problem again. All right, so tape diagram, remember, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of thinking here. I have to look at my denominator. That's going to tell me how many parts I need inside of my tape diagram. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a tape diagram that has 5 parts because that's what I have as my denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, trying to make them kind of the same size. So this whole thing has 35 things inside of it. So now I have to figure out how many to put in each part. Okay, so again, I'm going to start thinking. So here's my little brain power, and I'm going to go, wow, if I have 35 and I want to divide them into 5 parts, how many would go in those 5 parts? And I know you guys know your math facts. So 5 times something makes 35. That would be a 7. So in each of these parts, we're going to have 7 things, whatever those things might be. Okay. Our fraction, though, is 3/5. So if we look at just one piece, that would be 1/5, and 1/5 would equal 7. But that's not what we want to do. We actually want to look at 3/5, and 3/5 is the same as 7 plus 7 plus 7, which equals 21. Okay, so 3/5 of 35 is going to be 21, or 3/5 times 35 will be 21. Practice with that today. See how it goes. Don't forget, after this, you head to Zurn, Khan Academy, or Splash Math. Have a great day.
Is always our symbol for multiplication.